Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asapasa satairbadhaha kamakrodha parayanaha ihante kamabhogardham anyayena ardhasanchayan. Om. Do not get addicted to desire. Do not be absorbed in lust and anger. Do not secure money in unjust means for your sensual enjoyments. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not get addicted to desire. I shall not be absorbed in lust and anger. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not secure money in unjust means for my sensual enjoyments. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, after Sriman Narayana protected Gajendra, Gajendra became just like Sriman Narayana, and while all Gandharvas, Siddhas, Maharshis praising Paramatma, Paramatma got onto his Garuda Vahanam, and along with Gajendra he returned back to his Sri Vaikuntha Dhamam. For Raja, so far I have disclosed you such a great story in which Krishna Paramatma's, Sri Hari's, Sriman Narayana's divine compassion is disclosed. Those who gets to listen to this story, Swargyam Yasasyam Kali Kalmashapaham Dusvapnanasam Kuruvar Yasrunvatam, they will be eligible for attaining Paramapadam, and they will get all kind of prosperity. They won't get any bad dreams. And also, especially if everybody gets to listen to this story and praise me early in the morning, soon after they get up from their sleep, they will definitely attain my divine abode. O Parikshit Narendra, after protecting Gajendra, Sriman Narayana, with great amount of pleasantness, he is blessing the entire world through Gajendra like this. O Gajendra, those who listens to this story every day and early in the morning, Emam Tvancha Saraschedam Girikandara Kananam, those who remembers you, me, this pond, this mountain, Trikuta Parvatam, all these trees, and my divine abode, Kshirasagaram, and my Srivatsam, Kaustubham, Vaijayanti Mala, my Kaumodaki, my Sudarsana Chakram, my Panchajanya Senkham, my Garuda Vahanam, my Seshaparyankam, the bedding, my wife Lakshmi Devi, and Brahma, Narada, Shiva, Prahlada, and all my divine incarnations like Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, and all my divine miraculous activities, Surya, Chandra, Agni, Omkara, and divine cows, Brahmanas, Ganga, Saraswati, Narmada, Yamuna, and the great devotee Dhruva, Saptarshis, and all great enlightened devotees. Those who gets to remember all these things early in the morning, they will be relieved from all kind of sins. And also, O Gajendra, whatever the prayer that you have done to me, if anybody remembers that prayer and reads that prayer and praise me, they will definitely attain my divine abode, eternal abode, Sri Vaikuntham. Like that, Paramatma is blessing the entire world through Gajendra. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 12th sloka. Asha pasasatairbadhaha kamakrodhaparayanaha ihante kamabhogardham anyayena ardhasanchayan. आशापाशसतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्धसञ्चयान्. श्रीमन्नारायण కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.